is Fergie's daughter, and this is me strolling Santorini. So we came to Santorini and we have not seen the famous sunset in Santorini. So my mom was like, oh, I'm tired, I'm going to take a nap. So I was like, I need to go see this famous Santorini because this is our last day in Santorini. So I decided to go take a walk and see this beautiful town they call Santorini, and also the beautiful sunset. So this is going to be a very fast forward video, and you hear me pop in and out talking about what I'm doing. So in the process of me doing that, this is me walking around Santorini, looking at all the beautiful scenic. Look at that beautiful sun coming down. So this is me walking around, taking videos, taking random pictures, because it's just breathtaking. But what I will tell you guys is, please, whenever you come into Santorini, please wear comfortable shoes, because there is a lot of walking up and down. We're going up the step, down the step, up the, so it's a lot of walking. So just wear comfortable shoes and explore the island. So this is when I went into a shop that sells random snacks. I was just looking around. I'm like, okay, let me catch the video. So this is me in the shop, videoing the store, blah blah blah, and just walking, taking views. Like, there's a lot of people there. I'm not sure if it's the time of year, but there was, a lot of people there. So just be mindful, and I'm not going to stress it any longer. Wear comfortable shoes, okay? So enjoy the video. You hear me pop in and out, and I'll tell you what's going on, blah blah blah. So this is me signing out. Peace out. It's me again. So this is when I got to the famous spot that you watch the beautiful sunset. Like, if you look on Instagram, Facebook, whatever, you'll see the famous spot that they take all the beautiful pictures when the sun is setting. So this was when I got there, and I think this was like 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and the sun was setting like 6:30. But there was people coming in to hold their spots because they wanted to get the best view of when the sun is setting. So this was when I got there. You see me walking around, videoing everything and everyone, and just taking in the view. Guys, it was pretty chilly, so wear a light jacket and just enjoy the view. Okay, so you'll see me taking a lot of videos and pictures at this time, just enjoying the view. Like, it was breathtaking, and I could not get enough of it. So that was me trying to do my little thing. Yeah, you see your girl out here in the streets. Yes. So enjoy the video, guys. Signing out. Peace. So at this point, the sun is going down slowly but surely, and I'm trying to take a lot of videos and pictures to show the minute by minute, the second by second, when the sun is going down. I wanted to do a time lapse, but that was too much. That was too much. So I tried to take as much videos and pictures to show the moment the sun was going down. And this does not do it any justice. You just have to be there to see it in person, to see how beautiful it is. I wanted my mom to be there, but she was at the apartment sleeping, so I just went there and enjoyed the view. Okay. Hey guys, so when the sun started to go down, the lower the sun gets to setting, there was like a lot more people coming, so the place got really crowded. And just get there early so you can hold a very good spot where you can take your videos and pictures. So at this point I was getting ready to leave, but I just wanted to get the last glimpse of the sun setting. So this was me trying to get the last glimpse of when it's going down. And as I said before, it was beautiful, and I'm glad I got to experience it. So guess what? One thing is ticked off my bucket list. So I'm very thankful, and I'm grateful that my mom brought me to Santorini with her. Woot woot! So thank you, Mother. I love you. And let's get on with the video. After the sun set, I decided I want to be one of the first person to leave because the crowd was thick. Like, there was a lot of people there, and I wanted to go before they started to leave as well. So this is me trying to get back to the apartment, and as I was going, there was like people still going to see the sunset when the sun was already set. So this was me walking back to the apartment, and as you can see, I'm going up a lot of steps. Like, look at all those steps. And I told you guys it was very crowded, so I had to be maneuvering, like going in and out of traffic. You know what I mean? But yeah, there was a lot of people, and it took me a little bit of time to get back to the apartment. And I was still enjoying the view because there was like amazing view, like we were on the side of a cliff, and each time you got an opening, there was like the ocean right there. So there was views all around depending on where you're walking. So this was me heading back to the apartment, trying to maneuver the crowd, see the views that I'm talking about, me still walking, but there's still views. So I was just enjoying that and walking very slowly because there was a bunch of people in front of me, so I have to be going very slowly. And yeah, enjoy me walking back to the apartment. So guys, yes, this was when I almost got to the apartment. See, I'm going down more steps. Like there was steps everywhere. And I was like, oh my God, my legs are shaking. So then I see Fergie. So I stopped and I'm like, Mom, where are you going? She was like, I'm hungry. I'm going to get some food to eat. I'm like, okay, let's go. See, I'm still enjoying the view. Even though I'm talking to my mother, I'm still enjoying the view. Like, okay, you're hungry. I'm like, why did you want to leave me? Like, what if I didn't come in time? She was like, you left me in the apartment. I was like, no, I didn't leave you. You said you didn't want to come. So there was like, I was going back and forth. So then we decided to go get something to eat. And this is me going back up the steps. Like, you see, I came down the steps and now I'm going back up the steps. Like, guys, a lot of steps. So wear comfortable shoes again. Okay, signing out again. walking to get some food, we remember that my aunt has told us about a restaurant that has beautiful views of the sunset and their food is magnificent. So that's where we are headed, to the restaurant. And it took us a minute to get there because it was all the way around on the other side. And but I can tell you guys, it was worth it. I don't remember what the name of the restaurant was, but the views was nice. And see Fergie going down steps. Like Fergie's and steps do not agree. Like Fergie knee cannot take all these steps, so she had to be careful going up and down the steps. I had to be like, Mom, please be careful, please be careful. See, Fergie's going down more steps. Like there's like steps everywhere. Like to get around in Santorini, there's like steps going up, down, up, down. So this was when we got to the restaurant and the waitress was taking us to our seat. And as you can see, more steps going up, up in the restaurant, steps going up, going down. So this was when we got to the table and look at that view. Like to be eating and be seeing that beautiful. That was a beautiful, beautiful view, and we were just embracing each other and enjoying the moment, taking pictures. As you can see, Fergie with Winifred. Okay, Fergie, beautiful Fergie, you look good, Mama. Go, Mama Bear. Oh yeah, see, that's her attitude picture. So for me, I got shrimp with some rice. Like, guys, that's the best shrimp I ever had. And Fergie got salmon. She said the salmon was amazing. Like, guys, you have to check her restaurant out. And I guess this is the end of the video. That's my dessert, guys. That dessert is the bomb.com. We went to a different place to get dessert. That's how good that dessert was. So this is me signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.